Hello everybody, this is Nora with NAQ57 and I am here to review for you guys two new items from Born Pretty Store. The first one being this thermochromatic liquid that everybody knows about. So as you can see here, I'm showing you the product already open. I broke the seal, the foil seal that came with it to show you the liquid. And also I have this, how it was labeled on the packaging, unusual magnet. Yeah, and that's because it has two LED lights. Okay, so let's play with the thermochromic liquid first. Here it is. The container, as you can see, the label says 2 grams. You get 2 grams of the product inside this 5-gram jar, okay? And here I'm showing you again how I had already broken up the foil seal to see. I didn't know what to expect, what was going to be inside this little container. And this liquid, so it's not of a gel consistency. It's pretty liquid. I mean, it's pretty soft. As you can see, I'm moving it around. And this is the first nail that I tested it out with. It is suggested for this to go over a black polish or black gel. And here I am applying heat with just my finger. And let me tell you something, guys. So interestingly enough, the color effect from heat to cold and cold to heat appears to be, it's backwards from what we are used to seeing on weather maps. Okay, and I will explain that here in a second. But here I am applying this. I just used the regular brush. When you apply this, it goes on like a liquid. It does have a scent to it, kind of like a weird smell to it. You can use whatever type of brush you feel more comfortable to do an application. Apply this on your nail. And here with this one, I chose to do a design and see what I was going to come out with, or how it was going to come out. One drawback on this, guys, is that it really takes, so you want to try to apply it pretty thick, or maybe if you do a thin coat, then go back over with a second coat. It takes a long time to dry. It really did. You have to, I mean, 5 to 10 minutes, depending on how thick your application is. And there you can see, I'm showing you how I kind of missed a little bit. I have some spots, so I chose to do a second coat, and it tended to, I don't know, like if it was pulling itself, I noticed that just someone to be creating some lumps. So I try to be very smooth with it and let it dry. So here I'm just waiting for it, and you can see how much time it had passed, and there's, okay, and now here I only have that little bitty spot that has not dried just yet. Everything else is dry, and it dries matte, as you can see. So once it's dry, you apply the gel top coat, cure it, and this is with the top coat completely cured, and it is blue because it's out of the lamp. So this is what I was talking about. When it's hot, it's blue. When it's cold, it's red. Yes, and that is kind of like the opposite from what we are used to seeing on weather legend maps, right? So yeah, there it already turned cold, and here I am applying heat, just rubbing my finger on it, and so it goes from red to green to blue, then purple. So the cold as it is, the dark as it is, into the blues and dark purples, and then the coldest, let's see, did I say that right? The hottest it is, it goes into blues and deep purples. The coldest it is, it goes into green. No, well, red. Red when it's cold. I hope I got that right. It is. It looks just beautiful with that gel top coat. Very nice finish. And you can see on the edges it's starting to get cold. I'm getting confused myself. Yes, it's getting cold. So now here the edges are turning red. I'm trying to blow on it with a fan so you can see it change as I'm taking the video. Such a cool effect. I don't know that I would do all my nails with this because of the time that it takes to dry, but doing an accent will be really cool. And here's the unusual magnet lamp. So this is the magnet that I thought it had. Of course, there are some instructions here in Chinese I can read. I thought I was just getting a special magnet. And then when I saw this power strip, this USB power strip on it, a cord for it. I was like, huh? What is this for? And I was like, oh, it's got a lamp. Okay. So, as far as, let me show you, it works really neat as a flash lamp, a lamp for that you might use for flash curing gel. It really worked really good with that. So it doesn't have an on-off power. You'll just, it's on immediately as soon as you plug it in, and I got it plugged into my laptop for the USB, and then it just goes off when you pull the cable out. And believe it or not, these two LED light bulbs are pretty strong because it did cure my gel polish. So when I was playing with it, here I am with Born Pretty Store's 9D gel. My attempt was, I was under the impression that this is the magnet that is going to help you do the black hole effect with the 9D gels on yourself without you needing 3 hands because you do need 2 hands to do the black hole effect with 2 magnets if you're doing somebody else's nails. Well, so here I'm at, the magnet also has other effects. You can see, you can do the straight line, the straight cat eye line, you can do the S shape, or you can do the crisscross as I'm showing on this one. There it is, pretty cool. Now here I'm going on this one with this rounded part and see if I see that black hole. Well, there you are. You can see it's almost like it created not so much a black hole in the center, but like it created, so I was trying to turn it different ways. It kind of created like a hole towards both ends of the tip. And here I'm turning it again, depending on which angle, whether you go vertical or horizontal against the nail, is going to do different things. And then I thought, okay, what happens if I hold this like this with the lamp? It just cured it. I thought that it will just help to, like, as it's creating the design, do an immediate flash to keep it from moving. But then I'm trying to play with it again, and that gel it's cured. It's cured, and I did it pretty quick, just holding the lamp for a few seconds. Then I tried it again. So here I'm attempting one more time. And these items, I will have the link down in the description bar below. Also my discount code IDUK31. See, there it is. So yeah, like a black hole effect, but somewhat it's like it seems to be like it creates a hole towards the bottom tip of the nail, if you notice that. Now I'm curing it just to test that 2 LED light, and yes, it cures it. It cured it really well. So that was kind of more of a flash cure. And here I'm just doing a different, see, I'm holding it more horizontal rather than vertical, and it does create a different, something different. And there's that, it's more like a dot in the center, and the hole, it looks like more like it's the black hole to the top and the bottom of the nail. Hopefully you guys can see that. So this is the end of my review, guys. If you have any questions, please leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. Don't forget to use my code for a 10% discount. It's IDUK31. I would like to thank Born Pretty Store for sending me these beautiful products to play with and review. If you guys enjoyed my video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.